Correct your English. She helped him to do the crime. She assisted the perpetrator. She was an accomplice to the crime. She was an accessory to the crime. Boys and girls should get education. Boys and girls should get equal access to education. Students can use the library. Students have easy access to the library. Students have unfettered access to the library, unlimited access to the library, unrestricted access to the library. Students have free access to the library, full access to the library. Find the truth. Seek the truth. He had an accident. He met with a fatal road accident. He met with a serious road accident. He met with a tragic road accident. He met with an unfortunate road accident. He met with a dreadful road accident. I want internet. I want broadband access. I want broadband connection. I want high-speed internet. I want wireless broadband. I want broadband internet. Your behavior is not acceptable. You crossed the boundaries of acceptable conduct or acceptable behavior. This medicine is accepted among doctors. This medicine has a broad acceptance, uncritical acceptance, unquestioning acceptance, universal acceptance, general acceptance, or wide acceptance, or popular acceptance among the medical fraternity. Hey, we met by accident. We met by sheer accident. We met by mere accident. We met by pure accident. The driver hit and drove away his car. It's a hit and run.